So I grew up in Winter Haven, Florida. It's in Polk County. It's central Florida, and it was amazing. My neighborhood growing up, I was 5 when we moved there. Orange trees, the entire backyard was orange trees. It was just a grove, and it just went on forever and ever. And I wasn't old enough to ever reach the other side because I would have gotten in trouble. But you know, I thought it was the end of the earth on the other side. So in our backyard, we had 4 grapefruit trees. They're pretty tall, so we needed a long pole. My dad and I would go out there, my siblings. Long pole, bag at the end. You extend it almost like when you're cleaning or skimming a pool, and then you just put the bag up right next to the grapefruit and just, and then if it falls into the bag, and there you have it, your grapefruit. But that's how we would pick them. Either cut them in half and put brown sugar on them and eat them, or make grapefruit juice in the juicer. So good. And then Polk County and Winter Haven was a huge citrus area. That's where we used to hang out in the orange groves. Yeah, there was no organized playgrounds back then, right? So go climb the trees, pick the fruit. It was just a fun place to go explore. And then I'd ride around on my bike, but I'd have my little Schwinn bike with my basket on the front and try to sell them on occasion. So it was just fun. I wouldn't have thought about it back then, but now smell, taste, it always evokes the senses, you know. If I'm peeling an orange and you know how it sprays when you open it, just that spray, just the scent, just gives me a little glimpse, little memory flashes in my head just of being a kid. So it's a pretty positive memory.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.